So croup is basically an illness where your child gets a very barky cough. It most commonly occurs in young children. So croup is caused by a number of viruses. So when we think about our respiratory tract, we have a lot of different areas within it. So that causes bronchitis. Now, if they have that stridor noise when they're agitated, that will watch them a little bit more closely. When we're thinking about how we're going to treat croup, the main treatment is going to be steroids. Just like if your child had asthma and they were getting an albuterol treatment, it's a mask that goes on the face. But if you have a cool mist humidifier and you are frequently cleaning it, making sure there's no mold in it, then there's no harm in that, and that might actually help as well. Again, steroids would be the main course of treatment, and then if there's stridor, they would need that racemic epinephrine treatment.